Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Copper Golem in Minecraft Xbox. It's important to know that the Copper Golem was a concept from a past community vote and isn't an official mob in the standard game. To bring this unique creature into your world, you'll need to use community-created modifications, often called mods or add-ons. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Since the Copper Golem isn't a standard feature, you'll rely on mods or add-ons. Mods are modifications that change game mechanics or add new items and creatures. For Minecraft Xbox, these are typically referred to as add-ons, which are custom content packs. These require downloading external files and following specific installation instructions to integrate them into your game world. To find a Copper Golem add-on, search online for Minecraft Bedrock Copper Golem add-on. Always download files from trusted, reputable sources to ensure safety and compatibility. Once you have the add-on file, usually a MacPack or Macadon, you'll need to follow the specific installation instructions provided by the add-on creator. This often involves opening the file, which automatically imports it into your game. After importing, launch Minecraft and go to your world settings. You'll need to enable experimental gameplay features for the add-on to function correctly. Then, activate both the resource pack and behavior pack associated with your Copper Golem add-on within the world settings. Once activated, load your world, and you should be able to find or craft your Copper Golem according to the add-on specifics. Check the description for a link to great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.